Are you concerned about you or your users reaching their mailbox storage limit? Introducing ThinkDataBackup.com, the cloud solution to all your email backup needs with unlimited storage on the secure AWS. Research and studies showed that the top reason for data loss is human error. Whether you use Google Workspace, Microsoft 365, or any other business email service, our backups take place automatically on a periodic basis, so you don't have to worry about losing any of your data. With real-time monitoring and automated incremental backups, store important data such as emails, files, documents. Our two-step integration makes it simple to set up and manage your backups with admin, panel, and multiple level user access. You can access, download, restore, and migrate data from any device through the cloud. We understand that data protection and compliance are of the utmost importance, which is why we use top-of-the-line encryption and security protocols to ensure the safety of your data. Say goodbye to the hassle and stress of data loss and hello to the peace of mind with ThinkDataBackup.com. Sign up for a free demo. Visit www.thinkdatabackup.com. More info in description.